That's when they're talking about free bus passes. I thought, God, it's like 2 years.
Yes.
2 years to go.
Well, as I say, Sylvia she'll go into town just because she's got it.
I suppose you can go all up to North Devon and all over the place if you want to.
That's right.
Yeah.
I know Joan said she went to Plymouth and went to the theatre. Oh no, had a day shopping, that's right, and then went to the theatre. Didn't cost her anything.
No, yeah. Those things that will be gone and finished off, I suppose they're cutting back on everything, don't they? Shame.
Well, I think everybody knows why, you know, they can't do anything else because...
They got to cut corners somewhere, don't they?
Well, it's this interest. If they don't pay off this great amount of money, they have to pay all that interest forever. So,
What's
you know,
that?
no choice.
Wow.
See, Mrs. Thatcher had to do exactly the same, didn't she?
Yeah, well...
Pay off all their debts.